In this video, I am going to talk about the total cost of Canadian PR application through Express Entry. I am going to share the detailed breakdown of the cost you will incur during the PR application process at different stages. Hello everyone, I am Ishani.
And I am Lavkesh.
We would like to welcome you all to our channel, A Canadian Dream. We will be sharing various videos on Canadian immigration, Canadian lifestyle and travel vlogs on our channel. So stay tuned and hit the subscribe button for more exciting videos. Before I share the details on the cost at each stage of your application, let me summarize the process for you. Once you have both the language test report and the education assessment report, you create an Express Entry profile. From there on, you wait to receive an ITA based on the draws. Once the ITA is received, you accept it. Next, you scan and upload the required documents online. Soon, the processing will start for your application. Once processing is done, you need to submit the passport for PR visa stamping. Now let us talk about the step-by-step cost breakdown for applying your Canadian PR application. You need to get your education assessment done for foreign education. This evaluation can be done from various independent companies listed below. I am considering WES as an example. In this case, if we check the WES website, the amount for getting your degree evaluated is $220 Canadian. Plus, you'll pay 13% harmonized sales tax on top of that, which comes to $250 Canadian. If you are applying for PR from outside of Canada, then you can get this 13% harmonized sales tax back if you apply for a refund at a later stage. On top of this, there are $10 of standard delivery charge for your educational assessment report. Additionally, there will be some charges that you will incur from university's side when you request your transcripts, and also the courier charges for sending out the transcripts to WES for evaluation. These charges will vary depending upon the university, location, and the courier service used by you. We paid around $80 for this, including the university charges plus the courier charges. So the total rounded off amount comes to $340 Canadian or around 18,000 Indian rupees for educational assessment. When taking any example, I will be considering the country of residence as India, and $1 Canadian equivalent to 55 Indian rupees. You can convert this amount based on your country of residence. Next, you have to appear for language assessment for English or French language. If I consider IELTS for English, as many of you would go for IELTS test for English, it is around $320 Canadian or 14,000 Indian rupees for a single attempt. This amount will vary depending upon your country of residence. Once you have your language test report and educational assessment report, you will create an online Express Entry profile. And there are no charges to create your Express Entry profile for entering into the Express Entry pool amongst the other candidates. Once you're in the Express Entry pool and you receive an invitation to apply for permanent residency, you will need to submit all the required documents, including your language test report and educational assessment report. During document submission, you will also be providing the medical test report, biometrics, and police clearance certificate from the country of residence or any country that you have lived in the past 10 years for 6 months or more after 18 years of age. The cost of police clearance certificate varies depending upon the country of residence. For India, it is around 500 Indian rupees, which is around $10 Canadian. Also, you need to get your medical test done for PR application. Again, the amount will vary depending upon the country of residence. We got a medical test done from India and we paid around 6,000 Indian rupees or $110 Canadian for one person. Depending upon the number of family members in the PR application, this amount will add up. Next, you also need to get your biometrics done. The amount for biometrics is 85 Canadian dollars per person, or for a family of 2 or more, it is 170 Canadian dollars. So the approximate amount for police clearance certificate, medical test, and biometrics adds up to 205 Canadian dollars for one person. When you're submitting the documents for your PR application, you also need to pay the processing fee for the application. Currently, it is 1325 Canadian dollars for one person. If the spouse is included, then it is an additional 1325 Canadian dollars and 225 for each child. So for a family of 3, it is 2875 Canadian dollars. This amount is subject to change anytime by the government. Once your permanent residency application is processed, you need to submit your passport for visa stamping and you will incur some charges during that time. Again, this amount will vary depending upon the country of residence. We paid around 20 Canadian dollars for this service, including the courier charges for sending out the passport back once the visa is stamped. Apart from these charges, you need to show proof of funds for your application. Proof of funds is the amount of money that you will need to show for the express entry application. You must show that you have enough money for you and your family to settle in Canada, and this amount varies with the number of family members coming to Canada. Currently, it is 12,960 Canadian dollars for one person and around 16,000 Canadian dollars for a family of 2. This is the amount that you will keep in your bank account for you to manage your initial days in Canada. You need to show this amount, but this money stays with you. Let us add up the total amount for Canadian PR application. The total approximate amount adds up to 2190 Canadian dollars for one person, excluding the proof of funds amount. This approximate amount of 2190 includes the educational assessment, language test, police clearance certificate, medical test, biometrics, express entry processing fee, visa stamping. So the approximate cost of PR application for one person is around 15,150 Canadian dollars, out of which 2190 Canadian dollars is the money that you are going to spend, and the remaining amount needs to be kept in your bank account. There might be some smaller miscellaneous charges apart from this total cost, which may arise while you are arranging your documents for submission. Hope this video helped you in some way. If so, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching guys. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.